OneKey Wallet swap tokens, how to cross-chain swap in OneKey Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can cross-chain swap in OneKey Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to cross-chain swap in OneKey Wallet, open the OneKey app and make sure to log into your wallet, right? So it could be on your mobile device or maybe on your desktop. Now on mobile, from the very bottom you can see the option called trade. In your case it could be swap, in my case it's trade, so I will go to trade option. Now here you can see from and to. So the first thing we want to do is we want to select the source chain and token that you want to send. So if it is Ethereum, you can select Ethereum, but you can also select this and choose any of the other network, let's say for example, and over here you can select to which you want to convert, right? Now you want to simply enter the desired amount to convert. So once you have the desired amount that you wish to convert, you can just click on this review auto routed code provided by aggregated liquidity providers such as 1inch, Li-Fi or Change Hero. Then after you have sufficient balance, you can just tap on the swap or bridge and confirm the transaction through your password, biometrics or hardware wallet confirmation. This way you can cross-chain swap in OneKey Wallet. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.